Man, peeps, check in. So I go on there. Far out on the beach now, even here. Man, the two of us. Yeah, man, we're there here. We set some coconut trash. We look some soldier crab. We go fishing tomorrow on the boat. You know? So, right now, my father will set the trash them look a while. So, we are give it about 30 minutes. Or 45 minutes, we go check back if the soldier crab them come out because, you know, when we grate the coconut, we put down the trash for it, kind of get touchish. That more draw the soldier crab them. So we just go set out the trash look a while and we're there going to chill. So father say, I make sure bring a line, kind of know what can happen. So I'm going to set it out right now. See if we can catch a snapper or anything. So I'm just going to set it right now and get it on the stick. So we just go there, I go and chill a little and then we'll go check in if no soldier crab come near the trash. So just stick and stay tuned, watch what I go on. We'll see when we are going in the bush to pick up soldier crab. So I go and look some soldier crab right now. With my working off the back of soldier crab. If we see them.
Yeah, hide.
People see a couple of quiet, but I'm run and go up on that stump. Hold it up on that stump. This one.
And just smell it.
Yeah.
You want a little more time?
Look so. I hope me say some big one and me say run and go up on that stump. Look while. Put your hand through this and lift up the leaf, man.
That's all?
Yeah. And then drop back down in the hole where they are.
Okay, mine not there now. Yeah, mine's a bite.
Oh, scorpion?
Yes, sir.
So one day?
And just come out, man.
Yeah, because I see them lift up, sitting there and drop back.
Just come out.
Before I give them a good time, I go down the tree, go check. One piece, you see. Then shell favorite trash them. In the right there.
Oh. Hey, let me see one of them.
You want one of them look well?
No, me just come on here, sir.
Oh. Check down a big tree and see if we find none. And people see a circle on a big guango tree. Yeah, see me now? Now take time, come on. Now live up under the trash, them look there, see them now? See me, peeps? See them there? I crawl all about. You want one half is back here. One more there, yeah? Then just a smell here come out, see something around this one. So this man want me pass it, so?
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. One more of this one. Just a crawl out the bush now. So people in the reach guango tree this one. That's how we have to find it. See me what you call? See me this one? See them there? Now how kind of shell? One big black shell you put the jug pan.
All this.
What are you thinking? I'm born. Right now, when you go to see and come back again, you say enough again. What? See them, man? Yeah, man. The man then take time to come out of the trash now. So, see them up here? You see them smart? The father walk past them look while and them. See them? And they all bowed, look there.
Yeah.
All bowed them and hide. When people under the bush them then live, you know? So they take time to come out and now because they smell it trash, you know? So when they run in front there, you go to that big piece of stump there. See me? Yeah. You gone up another part, they run and go to your wall.
This morning you say none of there.
None. Take over. Oh, big one go through now. Because some wipe a back over here, so. So where they live, you call. You know, one big old one. Right now, you look on the buckle top, then you got the same enough. Yeah. Then I start come out here. Cal, see some around so? Look, peeps, see them there? They crawl up on the tree. See some of them just push out them whiskers they call. Out the back them. Some of them just push out them whiskers out the back them. See them around go up there? See them there? See them? Are you down in this one? See them there? Down in there they live. Look here. Look here. Look here, Cal, look there. I got three over here, so. Peeps in there, enough. Enough. I try to hit them up one place I think can't run go far. Down in there they live. And one of them places peeps. Yeah? See me? And then they right me choke up right there. But you want to go down now, well, catch him. You know why? So enough. Live down in them back there. Yeah, hear them in the back. When you get around someone next half an hour, problem. The man peeps, right now, we're in a fall, so my father gonna check again. See if there's no more soldier crab. We're in a fall, so we have to day out here hiding in the bushes. So you can't see him running this one. You don't see them? You must see them down there, though. Down there, more bush. Like he hide them bad, look up under the jelly limb if you see them. People that is saying, see one look down straight down in the hole and make him go. Rain check in, make them scarce. See them are run over the side when me pick them up over there, so right in front of you over there. So. When I drop like in me, I go down in the wall box. Them are run over there. No, it's straight in front of you, over the side there. When I run, I come back to the back lane. You live down in the back lane, man.
When the rain fall hard, then come out and go find tree.
As we tell them to say, the rain come down and we now find the soldier crab again. Now find him because I'm run from the rain. So, my father, they are going to get in line reel up because we are going to just head in. A little amount already, see the down there, so we find a little bit amount already, so we are going to just see if that can help you out for tomorrow. Then take off a bit. Yeah, so we're just going to see if we can come out early in the morning, about 5:30 in the morning, see what we can find. Yeah, we'll go up on about, we have about 300 for them, we'll throw for some silk. Yeah, we'll throw for some silk tomorrow. Yeah, man, them dip of water there we can find silk, you know. So after we throw off our silk, we're going to try the parrot fish them. That's how we're going to up the soldier crab. We have the bait to catch off of the silk already. So tomorrow morning now we just have to head out about 5:30 to 6 o'clock. We're supposed to be on the sea already. So we'll show you catch. We'll go on tomorrow. I want to catch a meal in the bush. Yeah man, peace. So we might catch all two barra and them something there. So I'm just go and stay tuned and watch how I go and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Man, peace, we look with a stick. So, fix up the paggle for the boat because the paggle give a little trouble, you know. So we look with a stick, sea cotton. So, match up the paggle back for the boat. So I'm going to see my father I get it chopped. And just stay tuned and watch how I go. I'm going to show you when the paggle I get fix up for tomorrow fishing. Man, peeps, so I go on there. Paggle I get neck, you know. Out here kind of windy, so I have to use my body to block the breeze. So the boat that we fish up on the daytime when we're not so busy. So I paggle that I get fixed now, peeps. It's a stripper, so we'll strip it, see if it can get quail by a morning, because it's slippery if it not strip, you know? And that push we. Man, peeps, check it way out here early in the morning, as you can see. Until the sun no start rise yet. Yeah man, we go line up ourselves. Going on the boat, you know. Father gonna look some more soldier crab in the people. There with the bag. I have my bucket and I have my baler. You want so we go out in the early morning and something. Stick and stay tuned. Watch how I go on. We'll show you how I go on out on the water. We fish them up. We are going to look for Valentine's fish. Today is Valentine's Day. So we are going up on the deep go look some redfish. That is it. Stay tuned. Yeah man, peeps, my father in action there dropping fish, you know, he drop 2 out on the deep there and the line get light. Yeah, so he come and shallow down so he can catch. I walk home. Like a whitening.
I will last sit there.
Eh?
So when last sit there.
Lionfish! You see that? Lionfish!
When big?
Lionfish a pick line. You see? Lionfish! That is it.
You must still see?
You see how they stay? Pretty like a money. Many flash and catch, you know?
Watch out, you know see what?
I 2 can take in.
You saw incredible?
I saw incredible, man. 2 hook. You take in one time.